How to download and install Capitec Bank app on your device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Simply Finance, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can download and install Capitec Bank app on your Android device. In order to download and install Capitec Bank on your device, it is very simple. All you need to do is open up your Play Store, and you also need to make sure that you are connected to an internet service. After you open up your Play Store, click on the search box in the top right and then type in Capitec Bank. After that, you'll be taken to the interface where you'll be able to see a list of information regarding the application. So in order to install it, click on the install button in the top right. Once the application is installed, you need to click on open, and after that you'll be taken to the login or sign up interface, and you can begin with creation of your account. This way you can download or install Capitec Bank app on your Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.